If you want to teach online but hate cameras, hate scripting, and definitely hate hearing your own voice, you are probably staring at your screen right now, crying into your coffee, wondering why everyone else makes it look easy. AI Professor claims it can fix all that. No filming, no expertise, no awkward Zoom energy. Let's see if that's real or just another fancy dashboard with no results. Hey, this is Kamal from TestedOps.com. I've spent the last 6 years testing tools that promise freedom, automation, and passive income. Most of them promise NASA, they deliver a bicycle. Today, we're doing an honest review of AI Professor. No fluff, no hype, just real talk. Quick heads up, if you grab AI Professor through my link below, you'll get my exclusive bonus stock, stuff that actually helps you use this properly, not random PDFs. Details are in the description. AI Professor is a software platform built to create human-like AI teachers. These teachers can speak, explain topics, present lessons, and answer questions. You don't appear on camera, you don't record audio, you don't need subject expertise. The main promise is simple: turn any topic into a teaching experience that feels human without doing the teaching yourself. This is built for people who want to educate, explain, or train without becoming a full-time professor. The system works in 3 steps, and yes, it's beginner-friendly. Step 1, enter your topic. That's it. No scripts, no outlines, no pretending you're hosting a TED Talk. If you can type a sentence, you're qualified. Step 2, choose your AI teacher. You can pick a done-for-you avatar or upload your own image. You select the voice, the tone, and the teaching style. No PhD required, no lighting setup, no "is my mic working" panic. Step 3, generate and publish. AI Professor creates the teaching video and a page where learners can watch and ask questions. The AI teacher answers those questions automatically. It teaches while you sleep, which is honestly the dream. Here's what actually matters: not features, results. First benefit: human-like explanations. This isn't robotic narration reading slides. The delivery feels natural, clear, structured. That matters for engagement. Second benefit: no repetition. You don't explain the same thing 100 times. The AI handles it. You keep your sanity. Third benefit: faceless scaling. Perfect for YouTube, training videos, affiliate education, and client work. You stay invisible, the content works. Fourth benefit: commercial rights. You can sell access, sell training, sell videos. No revenue sharing, no permission slips. Let's talk money. The front-end price is $17, one time. That's important. Most AI video tools today charge monthly, $30, $50, sometimes more. Do the math. That's hundreds per year just to keep publishing. AI Professor, you pay once, you own access. From a long-term perspective, that's refreshing. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello students, I'm Professor Juliet, and today we're going to be talking about a field that's rapidly changing the way we understand the world around us: data science. Data science is an exciting and growing field that involves extracting
Excellent. You've completed the lesson on if you're looking for information on web development, look no further. We can provide you with all the details you need to know about creating websites, designing user interfaces, coding, and more. Please feel free to ask your doubts, and I'll help you understand better. What would you like to ask?
What is web applications?
Web development. Web applications are software programs accessed through a web browser over a network
What is HTML?
used to create and design web pages. It structures the content by using elements and tags to define headings, paragraphs.
Let me ask you something. What if I told you that we are already generating up to $359 per day by teaching thousands of students online, without being subject experts, without recording a single video, without appearing on camera, and without hiring real teachers? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me for the next few minutes, because what you're about to see is changing how teaching, training, and knowledge sharing works forever. Right now, online teaching is exploding. Every day, students are learning online. Businesses are training teams online. Creators are explaining concepts online. Coaches are teaching skills online. But there's one big problem. Teaching online still depends on real humans. You need subject knowledge, confidence on camera, recording equipment, time to script, record, edit, and re-record. And that's exactly why 99% of people never start. Let's be honest. You might want to teach online, create educational content, sell knowledge, build authority, or even monetize teaching videos. But then reality hits. You're not a subject expert. You don't like being on camera. You don't have time to record videos. And hiring teachers is expensive and messy. So most people give up. And that's where everything changes. Because for the first time ever, AI has reached a point where it can teach like a human. Not just talk, not just read text, but actually explain, present, and teach topics naturally on video. That's why we created AI Professor. AI Professor is the world's first AI app that lets you create human-like teachers that speak, explain, and present any topic on video, fully done for you by AI, powered by GPT class language models and our proprietary Nano Banana multimodal teaching engine. And this isn't theory. We're already using AI Professor to teach thousands of students online every single day, create professional teaching videos at scale, generate up to $359 per day for our own business, without hiring teachers, without recording videos, without appearing on camera. Here's how insanely simple this is. You enter a topic. AI Professor writes the teaching script, understands the subject, explains it like a real teacher, creates a human-like teacher on video, adds voice, expressions, clarity, and presentation. You just click generate. That's it. And here's the best part. You don't need subject knowledge, teaching experience, technical skills, camera confidence. AI Professor does everything for you. If you can type a topic, you can create a professional teacher video. Think about this for a second. Online teaching is no longer limited to professors, experts, educators. Now anyone can teach. You can create educational videos, build authority, teach skills, train teams, create explainers, monetize knowledge, even if you know nothing about the subject yourself. AI Professor becomes your digital teaching brain. This is the future of teaching. AI teachers will teach online courses, train employees, explain products, educate audiences, replace expensive presenters. And the people who adopt this early will dominate. In a moment, I'm going to show you real AI Professor teacher videos, how easy it is to create them, and how people are already using this to teach and monetize. But first, let me ask you one question. Would you rather stay stuck thinking teaching requires expertise and cameras? Or let AI Professor do the teaching for you while you scale? If you're ready to teach online without being an expert, create human-like teacher videos in minutes, and leverage AI to do the hard work for you, then you're going to love what you're about to see next. Watch how AI Professor works.
Now let's talk about the upgrades. These are optional. OTO 1 is $46. This unlocks premium AI features and higher limits. If you plan to use this regularly, this is the one upgrade I'd consider. OTO 2 is $195. This is for agencies and people doing client work. If you're not selling services, skip it. OTO 3 is $97. Automation and advanced workflows. Nice to have, not required. OTO 4 is $64. Done for you assets. Good if you want speed. OTO 5 is $197. Reseller rights. Only makes sense if you already have traffic. OTO 6 is $297. Elite training. Optional education, not required to use the software. Then there are two small add-ons under $50. Completely optional. My rule stays the same. Front end, OTO 1 if needed. Ignore the rest unless you have a plan. Here's my honest take. AI Professor passed my basic torture test. I checked clarity, flow, usability. The dashboard is clean, the learning curve is low, and the output is usable. This is not magic. You still need traffic, you still need distribution. But as a content engine, it does what it claims. And that's rare. Most tools look impressive until you actually try to use them. This one didn't make me cry into my coffee. That's a win. Now the honest part. AI Professor is not for you if you expect instant money without effort. It won't bring traffic, it won't market for you, you still need a plan. It's also not meant for deep academic teaching. This is for explanations, training, and structured learning. If you hate AI or refuse to learn new tools, this isn't for you. Imagine this. No camera, no scripts, no repeating yourself. You wake up, check your dashboard, and your content is already teaching. Your videos explain, your system answers questions, you focus on growth. That's what AI Professor unlocks. If you want to build faceless education content without burning out, this fits. Launch pricing won't last forever. If you have questions, drop them below. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more honest reviews from someone who actually tests tools. This is Kamal from TestedOps.com. I'll see you in the next one.